Hi, I'm Mr. Henderson, Senior Engineer of Kinetic Minds NASA STEM Challenge Junior Engineers Program. Today, the experiences we're going to share with you will give you a better overall point of view of what the NASA STEM Challenge is all about.
Hey, we are the team Lightning Thunder Go Boom, and we're going to show you how we are going to make a CEV, crew exploration vehicle. As we have here are some of our sketches that we did. We took all three of these sketches that you see here and added them all together and put it right there.
Rocket, extra CEV, so we can So listen, we got seats for them to sit down. We got a hatch door for them to come out. We got tools just in case they break down. We got food so they can eat. We got a shower so they can take a bath. We got a fire for that just in case they catch on fire.
Team NASA Rocket Sciences, and we created a solution to the Design a Career Exploration Vehicle Engineering Design Challenge. Our video title is the NASA Junior Engineers.
Our junior engineers learned a lot about the engineering design process, from criteria and constraints, to prototypes, to shopping on a budget of $4. The teams worked together over a period of 10 weeks to come up with a very refined and finished product. Two, one, drop. 2, 1. 1.
Well, the experience of learning how to do the seatbelt and in the bottle, and then actually launching it, and the astronaut actually stayed in place.
My daughter has been coming to Kinetic Minds for a while, and she got really excited about the NASA program. She would come home and tell me about rockets and aerodynamics and things like that, stuff that I know nothing about. So it was an experience for her as well as myself, because everything that she experienced in the NASA STEM program, she was able to come home and share it with me as well as her sister. So the program has actually helped her enough to want to go to the School of Engineering next year, which will be her 6th grade year. So it has really sparked an interest in science for her.
This is Team Igniters, and we created a solution to design a crew exploration vehicle engineering design challenge. Our video title is NASA Junior Designers. NASA stands for National Aeronautics Space Administration. We had a mission to fly our astronauts to space and back safely.
In our CEV, we had to meet our criteria and constraints. Our CEV must carry 2 astronauts safely strapped down without using glue or tape. During our drop test, we had a budget of $4.
Our CEV must have one hatch that opens and closes and stays shut during the drop test. Also, our CEV must include a fuel tank with a volume of 30 centimeters. Our final design, we changed our gas tank from a Play-Doh container to the lid of the Play-Doh container. We had talked to an engineer to help us with our design to be successful during our 2 and 3 meter drop. We changed our seats to foil. Our problem was that the Play-Doh dried up.
which means crew exploration vehicle.
We modeled a prototype and tested it. We took some pictures and made a movie out of it. It was fun.
Overall, lessons in our sessions focused on calculating the volume of their fuel cells, which was limited to 30 centimeters cubed. As you can see, we did some formulas here. We learned about what NASA actually stands for. We talked about the design, technical operations, and technical writer and videographer for their groups. Trying to see if we got anything else. Oh yeah, that's right. They had to calculate the mass of their prototypes using digital scales. They learned about independent and dependent variables. There were so many wonderful things that we did during this time. So in conclusion, I would like to thank everyone that allowed our children this wonderful opportunity after school. That includes NASA, Y4Y, the 21st Century Community Learning Center Department of DPI right here in North Carolina, and especially our supportive parents. And, am I forgetting anyone? Oh yeah, that's right. You too, junior engineers. Keep up with the good work. I see a bright future ahead for you in STEM.